Okay, what is it? Day 8. Started day 8. Time to go. 8:15 in the morning. It's a little late. Not really, but a little later than I like to start. Got a good night's sleep. Had a bad cup of coffee in there just now. I don't really know where I'm going to go today. Not quite sure. I didn't book and didn't really plan. I think I'm just going to walk. Buen Camino. I think I'm going to make it a day like Quai Cane today. We'll just walk the earth. They said on the weather, possible rain, but look at that, man, blue sky. This looks like it's going to be nice. The rain is back there. I think I'm going this way. So it'll be nice, hopefully. Look at this place. So I'm leaving Rioseco and just walking. I looked yesterday where I'm going, but I'm not too up on it, so just kind of walking. All right, later. I just started. It's already a beautiful walk today. It's cool out. It's quiet. Babbling brook and some chirping birds. Nice village. Look at this dog, he's huge. Buenos días. Frogs. I think I take it right across the bridge. What would it be like to live here? Sane, for one thing. Most likely. beautiful for sure, peaceful. Okay, looks like I'm heading up. And just like that, in the blink of an eye, I'm on top of a hill, and I came from the village below where I stayed. Whew, holy cow, that was a hike. I don't know if I have to go up anymore. Maybe up somewhat on that hill, but maybe down. Maybe this is the peak. Yeah. I don't know how much elevation gain that was, but I had to just put my head down and hump. A lot of eucalyptus trees. I wonder if they're imported. Like in Peru. They're not, they're from Australia. And they suck up all the water. I ended up coming up even more, but this is what I stumbled on. This is up on top of the mountain. On we go. And around the corner. Look at this. Now it's raining on me. Gotta stop, put my raincoat on. Which way do I go? Probably this way since there's a water spigot. Maybe it's holy water. Maybe I can stop in here and put my raincoat on under cover. I came over these mountains. I was up by that old church. I put my raincoat on. And as soon as I left, it just poured rain, like real rain. Pouring. And I went up through a bunch of dirt paths over that mountain. I just came down out of it on the other side, on the ocean side. I'm not near the ocean, but back by that freeway. And here's what I popped out on. Ocean's over there. I gotta go down across this road. I think maybe go into this town. Oh, it's not pouring rain on me at least. Little rain's okay, but when it's the driving rain, you're like, okay, man, let's go. Doesn't matter now, I'm wet. It's just a little miserable. All right. Yeah, I was just up there. And I came down under the bridge on the freeway down here into this ville. There's such an invigorating feeling when you've been walking through the pouring rain. You're miserable thinking, oh, this sucks. And then when the rain goes away for a minute, it feels so good. But I shouldn't speak too soon because it looks pretty rainy all around. We'll see. Those roses. Homeboy taking his trash out. His bedroom slippers. Might be the event of the day. Let's catch him. Oh, maybe they have. Hola, señor. ¿Un café? Ah, hay café con leche, tal vez.
Es una casa.
Una casa. Oh, lo siento, señor. Hay una café cerca.
Sí.
Por allá.
A 1,5 kilómetros de aquí está.
Ah.
Yendo recto, entregada a la iglesia.
Sí. Ay, muy bien, muy bien. Muchas gracias. Dios. Es una casa, no es una café, pendejo. Yo, un pendejo. All right, looks like some rain is coming again. Let's get sticking. This village is absolutely beautiful. Look at this gate. Wow. Really beautiful. My only complaint is when I tried to go in that dude's house and get some café con leche, he didn't let me. It's green, lush, beautiful houses. Wet. All right, come on, let's go find coffee. Stopped and had a cup of coffee and a Napolitano. Now I'm walking to Liendo. Just walking down this beautiful street. Maybe this is Liendo, or maybe this is Hazas. Not quite sure which village. One of those two. Pretty nice places. I gotta get to Laredo. It ain't Texas, baby, but it's Laredo. I gotta catch a ferry there. Go to Santonos, or is it Sontanos? One of those two. Jardineria Profesional. All right. Still raining. Ooh, look at this. Rioseco Vieja. Who's cribbing over here? Don't know. I think this is Liendo up here. I came down out of those mountains, down under that overpass over there, that freeway, across these villages, across the valley, and up. Now I'm walking on a road, which is bogus, but it's shorter. So I took it. It sucks because there's traffic, but here we go. Walked over the hill on the highway into Laredo. Sun came out, looks beautiful. The beach. Me and my friend here been talking about world politics and solving all the problems. On we go. Look at this view of Laredo. Sun came out. It's beautiful. Wow. We got to walk down, I think, to that point, and then we catch a ferry across that inlet, I believe. Very nice. Alex and I walked over the hill together. It's beautiful. Gonna go catch up to the official Camino. This is part of it, but the real official one is this way. Looks like the Capitol Records building, look. Looks like the Rock of Gibraltar down there. Alright, sunlight. We're in Laredo. We walked from that hill over there down through the town, through here. We stopped and ate lunch right here on this little sculpture. We got to walk down that beach all the way to the end, catch a ferry across the isthmus, the inlet. Laredo is a cool town. I don't know about this end of it, but the other end was pretty nice. It's beautiful. It's got a big, wide beach here. It's all the way across there. All right. Okay, we walked from Laredo across the beach on the boardwalk. Now it's really windy, but we gotta walk. There's Alex. We gotta walk out here on the beach and catch a boat and go across the harbor there to this other town. It's windy as hell. It's beautiful though. All right. Water taxis here. We're gonna go over there. Hola, ¿cuánto queda?
2.50.
2.50. Ah. Going to Sontana. Es Sontana, not Sontano. Sontana. Repitan.
Santoña.
Gracias. Sontana. Muy bien. ¿Qué es eso? ¿Un castillo?
Un fuerte napoleónico.
Ah,
Cuando nos invadió Napoleón, le costó. Ahí y allí hay otro.
oh, sí, sí, sí.
Allí en aquella esquina y no sé. Allí en lo alto hay otro.
Ah, sí. Mucha historia aquí. That's a Napoleonic fort right there. And then something up on the hill also. All right. gracias, señor. Gracias, señor. All right, that was a quick ride. Oh. We're in Sontana. I'm at almost 14 and a half miles today, which is enough for me. I want to go find that albergue and maybe kick my boots off. Oh, look at this. Looks like a cool place. Looks like a cool place. Spanish Armada. Sontana. Okay, gotta go find the place. Yeah, in the middle of town, so we're looking for our albergue. I think did we walk past one of those? I think it's, let's see.